Husband tried to kill her, stabbed her 16 times. She survived. Lived in the car, sold drugs, went to jail, yeah, grill, tattoos. I mean, the whole thing. And over our association together, you know, we helped redesign the packaging. She already had a stellar product, and now she sells it in Walmart.
Yeah, no, that's dope. So, from the kid from Washington D.C., the kid that went to the heights, Seven Hills, to the man that's standing here, sitting here, right here on stage right now. If you had to give somebody three things that they need to focus on